QuData.com.
In this video, you will create your own chatbot using a ready-made template. First, you need to choose a template chatbot. Open the main page of the bot builder to see a list of templates and your previously created bot. Scroll down to the Templates section, and click any chatbot you like. That's the chatbot editing section. In the top side navigation panel, select Edit Bot, Clone. Enter the name of your new chatbot and click Clone Bot. Congratulations! The bot has been successfully created from a template. Now you can either edit it, or launch it right away by clicking the Run Bot button. Check our videos and learn more useful tricks to automate your workflow.